Hey everybody, me again, Channing, Practical Paracord. Today's video, me, A-City, and Big Mike about to play a little slinging game, y'all. It's gonna be first one to get the shot. Cause once you hit the shot, it's gonna be slow motion, looking all cool. Let's see who can get that thing first, y'all. Since I'm a slinging fanatic and I do it too much, I'm gonna give myself a little handicap and be at 20 meters while they're at 10. All right, so let's see what happens. Let's do it. Let's see who can get the shot. 3, 2, 1. Ding, 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 ding. Bust a little bit. Uh-oh, we still got time for some more shots. We got a little scenery. Let it roll, let's go. I tell you. That should have been a fight. They're gonna make that crazy. Hey, it fell out. It's good. It lost all the pressure. Whatever, we got it. All right, y'all. So, just a little play around, something you can do with your friends, the slinging need to be something. You know what? Get them kids off them iPads. Get in the sling and tell them go outside. With y'all friends, go hit a 2-liter or something. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, just a little something for y'all. Hope y'all like what y'all seen today. If y'all did, like, subscribe, tell a friend. And when you do, tell me that notification bell. Bang!
Practical Paracord, hey, you don't wanna miss it. Keep you entertained, you already know what this is. Catch him in Louisiana, now he's showing you rock slinging, shepherd slings, and plenty tutorials. Make sure you subscribe now, all the slinging techniques. Paracord and legend, I got all the tips, check these, hey. I know that you gon' like it for sure. Make sure that you tune in to Practical Paracord, let's go. Hey, only thing on my mind, I got a passion, it ain't no denying. I'm paracording till the sundown, the dopest channel that you gon' find. Yes indeed, packing up with my EDC. I'm so ready for whatever, G. Everybody keep on telling me I need to check out Practical Paracord. Hey, you don't wanna wanna miss it. Keep you entertained. You already know what this is. Ain't no need for waiting. Really, it ain't no debating. Keep it hype. Make sure that you hit the like and subscribe. Hey.